Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings or the email app. Choose Add Account and pick the provider. Enter your name and desired address, then create a strong password you can recall. Once done, provide the recovery phone or alternate email so you can regain access later. Make sure to accept permissions for syncing contacts and calendar now so the account integrates with your phone. You're setting the foundation. Accurate contact info and a recoverable login prevent lockouts. Next, you configure how the account behaves on your phone. Choose a map to keep messages synced across devices. Use POP only if you must download and remove server copies. Enter incoming/outgoing server settings if requested. Use SSL/TLS and correct ports to secure email. Then pick sync frequency and enable push if available for instant delivery. Once done, set a concise signature and notification preferences so you're alerted appropriately without distraction. To finish, send a test email to yourself and confirm you can receive replies. This verifies both incoming and outgoing servers. Once confirmed, enable two-factor authentication to protect the account and store backup codes in a secure place. If something fails, review server settings, username format, and SSL ports, then reconnect to Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to reset networking. One key tip: if login errors persist, try resetting the password and re-entering credentials. This fixes most authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.